figure out how to position the technology that you're interested in into an opioid response or an immigration control type of project, this is your in for a lot of the next bits of information that I'm going to talk to you about. So again, how does your technology help address drug crimes? How does it help identify immigration detection, especially alien criminal immigration detection, for law enforcement purposes, including themes that date specific or that relate specifically to immigration and opioid detection, enforcement, getting drugs off the street, and identifying illegal immigrants in a specific grant. And in fact, I'm starting to hear that some of that money may already be flowing to local agencies, which again goes back to the recommendation: position your technology project now. Make sure that your chain of command all the way up is aware not just of the use case that you're trying to get, the technology you're trying to get, but again, if you can fit it into a drug response and immigration response, make sure they have that talking point. And if you want that Red Ryder BB gun, you need to be positioning now and thinking about how can I bring this up in the right scenario, over and over again without being annoying, but how can you just position this as many times as possible so that the chain of command, when funding does become available, they think of your project immediately. I think law enforcement technologies in general are very popular with Congress. We've seen projects as little as 30,000 and projects as big as 3 million. Strongly recommend if you're interested, talk to some people about that.